In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename distribution list in Outlook. We'll do this in Outlook on the web so you can follow along from any browser. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, plus a few tips to make the change smooth for your team. Start by opening your web browser and heading to a search page. Type Outlook and click the official Outlook website to open your mailbox. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign in with your account so you land on your inbox. Once you're in Outlook, look to the left sidebar where you usually see your mail and calendar. Click the People icon. This switches you to the area that manages your contacts and groups, which is where distribution lists live in Outlook on the web. On the People page, find and select Go to Groups. This takes you to the Full Groups section. Think of this as the hub where all your distribution lists, also called groups, are collected. If you manage several, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the one you need. Next, click the group you want to rename. Make sure you're the owner or have permission to manage it. If you're not the owner, you might not see the editing options. With the group open, look for the pencil icon, often labeled Edit. Click that to open the Group Details panel. Now you'll see the fields you can update. Click into the Group Name field and type the new name you want. Aim for a name that's short, clear, and descriptive of the team or purpose, like Sales West or Project Apollo. If your organization uses a naming convention, follow it to keep things consistent. Avoid special characters and extra spaces, since these can cause issues or be trimmed automatically. When you're happy with the new name, click Save. Give it a moment. It can take a little time for the change to sync across Outlook. The new name should appear right away in Outlook on the web, while desktop and mobile apps may reflect the update shortly after. Don't worry. Renaming only changes the display name of the list. Membership and message delivery remain the same. To double-check, return to your groups list and confirm the new name is visible. If it hasn't updated yet, refresh the page and try again. If Save is unavailable or you see an error, the name might already be taken, or you may not have the right permissions. In that case, try a slight variation or reach out to your admin. That's it. You've successfully renamed your distribution list in Outlook.